So I bought this Crosstour DashCam from Amazon for $100, and look how the quality is. So I contacted the manufacturer, and they sent me this product from US. So I complained about the poor quality adhesive tape, and they're going to send me the tape from China, which is going to take 20 to 30 days. So it is really a crap, because they don't have a adhesive tape in US. So I wrote an email again why I have to wait 20-30 days for the adhesive. So they sent me an email saying that okay, we will refund about $40, and would you accept it? And I sent an email back saying that okay, I will accept it. And then I received an email that in order to get the $40 back, I have to give them a 5-star product review. So that means they are just buying a review and paying for the good review, so which is not good, because that's not a honest review. Look how wiggly it is. I mean, the poor quality